Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to pass out some scientific ideas today. Let's think about the cure for HIV. How is it possible? Can it be done? I think someone done it in 2010. They carried it out once in America. One person actually cured the HIV. Let's consider how they were able to do it. Basically, if you think in logic, if you have our body is like a battery. It's like a chemical battery. You have chemical processes, biological processes, which are based on chemicals taking place throughout our body all the time, like adenine triphosphate production, our Krebs cycle, which is starting point is the acetyl coenzyme A, and we have our two main energy boosts, NADPH and FADPH, nicotinic dinucleotide phosphate and flavulene dinucleotide phosphate. And we also have 1,004 over 1,480 biological processes taking place every millisecond. Okay, how would a cure be established within curing HIV? So think about it. If we have a contaminated battery, what would we do? We would drain the battery and refill it to establish a working order chemical battery. The same thing would be applied to a human body. Basically, we drain all the blood, probably through dialysis, out of the person, and that will include the chemical biological processes which are taking place as well, deplete them, let them rejuvenate, let them re-engineer the chemical processes that take place within the body. So by draining the blood throughout the human body and biological processes, we should be allowed to rejuvenate at the same time. And we cleared out the lymphatic system, basically used antiviral medication to clean out the lymphatic system and the biological processes within our body. So, do you know what I mean? As we're a chemical battery, we would drain our own fluids throughout the whole body, refill it, and carry out a full bone marrow transplant across the entire body. That would lead to a cure for HIV. Basically, like a chemical battery, if we drain the human body of all fluids and blood cells or any type of chemical or bacterium which would be inflicted with the virus, if we drain it throughout the whole body and then rejuvenate the body, re-liquidize the body, put blood back into the body, put biological processes to rejuvenate or add them back into the body, and carried out a full bone marrow transplant throughout the whole body, we would be able to cure HIV because we would drain the actual virus itself out of the human body and re-establish a new working biological process, chemical process within the body. Think about it. Cure for HIV.